All right, if you're planning on doing some back to school supply shopping for your kids, I'd say hold off and wait till August 1st. In this presentation, I'm going to walk through states that are not going to be charging sales tax for a certain period in August. It's kind of called like a sales tax holiday. I'm going to go through 5 states that never charge sales tax. I'm going to go through a couple other states that unfortunately are not participating in this holiday. So if you have any questions, let me know. Leave them in the comments below. Thanks again for watching. All right, I'm going to go through a couple slides here. First off, this is kind of covering sales taxes, right? So when you go to a store, you buy an item costs $10, sales tax is 10%, 10% on $10 is $1. You pay the store $11, right? When you buy that $10 item, the store collects that extra dollar, they remit it to the state on your behalf. Okay, that's kind of the basics of sales tax. Well, starting August 1st, there's a couple states that are participating in this tax-free holiday shopping, kind of like a back to school kind of benefit where when you're buying certain types of supplies for school, these states are not going to charge you sales tax. So it's a pretty nice benefit here. So first off, let's go through, there's 5 states here, Delaware, Montana, New Hampshire, Oregon, and Alaska, where they don't have sales tax. So you can buy stuff year round and you're not going to be charged sales tax. Now, in this tax holiday, which is going to start August 1st, unfortunately, there are a bunch of states here that are not participating. California, Colorado, Illinois, you see the list here. If you shop back to school, you're going to have to still pay sales tax on the items that you're buying. Now, let's go to the states that are participating. So first off, Alabama, the dates has just passed, July 18th to 20th. Then we got Tennessee, which is coming up here, July 25th through 27th. Texas, August 10th or 8th through the 10th here. And you can see here the types of items that are being covered in this tax-free kind of holiday. So Texas, for example, if you're shopping in between these dates and you're buying clothing, footwear, backpacks, kind of school supplies, okay, up to $100 per item, they're not going to charge you sales tax. Next up, Iowa here. So they're August 1st and August 2nd. Clothing, footwear up to $100. Connecticut, August 16th to 22nd. Clothing, footwear up to $300. Arkansas, August 2nd to the 3rd. Clothing, footwear up to $100. Accessories up to $50. School supplies and instructional materials. South Carolina, August 1st to the 3rd. Florida, the whole month of August. And they have a lot of, you can see here, learning aids up to $30, school supplies up to $50, clothing up to $100, and computers up to $1,500. Next up, Virginia. So August 1st to the 3rd. And here you can see what's covered under there. West Virginia, August 1st to the 4th. You can see what's covered there as well as the dollar amounts. We've got Maryland, August 9th to the 15th, Massachusetts, sometime in August. The exact date hasn't been determined, but personal property up to $2,500. Mississippi, Missouri, you can see these dates right now. And then finally, New Mexico and Ohio. So another thing to think about is, school typically starts toward the end of August. You might be traveling on vacation, so you might be traveling to a state that's not your home state, and you may not be able to take advantage of these opportunities here. So again, this is about kind of not paying sales tax for a limited time on buying school supplies. Again, any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks again for watching.